hackers steal millions of accounts. But cybersecurity isn't just hacking. It's understanding attacks and stopping them. If you don't like panic but still want protection, then listen up. Cybersecurity provides protecting computers, phones, networks, and data from attacks. Hackers move, recon. Hackers move, scan. Hackers move, exploit. Hackers move, stay hidden. Most breaches start with one click or leaked info. Common attacks: phishing, malware, cracked passwords, rogue public Wi-Fi, data dumps. Defenses are simple: firewalls, encryption, strong auth, constant monitoring, ethical hacking. Want to start? Learn networking, Linux, security fundamentals, do hands-on labs. You don't need to be a genius, you need consistency. Cybersecurity is a constant battle between attackers and defenders. Cybersecurity is a skill, not a myth. Cybersecurity is one of the most important skills of the future. If you want simple, honest cybersecurity content, subscribe to Shriram's Cyber Hub. Hackers don't wait, neither should you. Learn fast, act faster.